For this look, I'm using Holo Taco's Long Lasting Base, Holo Taco's Sacrificial Lacquer, a beautiful red magnetic polish that's released seasonally, Holo Taco's Circuit Breaker, a lovely silver linear holo, Holo Taco's Foiled Again, a beautiful green frosted metal, Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco, currently discontinued, you can use Glossy Taco, striping tape from Twinkled Tea, and a magnetic wand from Holo Taco for our magnetic polish. As with any manicure, we start by applying a base polish to all of our nails. For my main color, I am using the Sacrificial Lacquer. After each coat, which I'm applying heavily, I will need to hold the magnet over the top for at least a minute. You can also have the magnet under your finger, but with the fake nails, that is not an applicable method. It took me 2 coats to make it fully opaque. After each coat, I used the magnet for 1 minute, and then I applied a top coat with Super Glossy Taco to finish it off. Even after the top coat, I used the magnet because it does slightly re-wet the bottom layers, and I want to make sure all the particles are in place. Then, for my accent nails, I start off with that linear Holo Taco of Circuit Breaker. Just like the Sacrificial Lacquer, Circuit Breaker took me 2 coats to make it fully opaque. After I've gotten the 2 coats on, I then move in to applying a top coat. Once again, I'm using the Super Glossy Taco, and just like the Glossy Taco, it is a quick dry top coat, which is important because we need to let it fully dry before we start to use the striping tape to create negative space where we're not going to see the next color of nail polish. Over the top of the striping tape, I am using the Foiled Again. I like the green in contrast with the silvery white. I think it looks nice. And then while the polish is still wet, we peel off the striping tape to reveal our silver below. And finally, we add a Glossy Taco to the top of this to finish off the nail look, seal everything in, even out that top layer because there are indents from the striping tape, and bring it all together. Voila! Now you have a beautiful manicure for the holiday spirit.